need that awesome, fast, easy breakfast dish to pull out when those unexpected guests or in-laws just pop in for a weekend stay. My dish is a baked egg. I love this dish because you prep all the ingredients in advance. You get your oven to table gratin dishes ready on a cookie sheet. If you're having a big party, get a big sheet, line them up. We start with a little bit of Olivio. You get the goodness of the olive oil, the Mediterranean olive oil, with a rich, buttery flavor that really grounds this special egg dish. Followed by just a splash of milk. This is going to go under the broiler for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. We want the butter to melt, and we want the gratin dishes to get piping hot. So get your oven mitts ready. And the other thing I love about this dish is its versatility. Think about holidays, leftover turkey, holiday ham, you name it. Maybe some sauteed spinach if you're a vegetarian. This morning we're doing a Black Forest ham, 2 cracked eggs in each bowl, or however many guests you're hosting this weekend. Some fresh provincial herbs. This morning we have oregano, parsley, rosemary, a little thyme, and Parmigiano. I like the Parmigiano because it gets that great brown, bubbly texture on the top that's kind of fun to crack into with the eggs. So give the gratin dishes 1.5, 2 minutes in the oven. And then we're gonna pull them out. Oh, this is perfect. We want the Olivio to have melted. The gratin dishes already are, I can feel the heat, and there's a little steam coming from the milk. Now we're gonna next lay a thinly sliced piece of Black Forest ham down in each of the dishes, or your meat of choice, sauteed spinach, sauteed mushrooms, maybe some roasted tomato, and delicately pour these 2 eggs on each dish. If you have bigger dishes, add a 3rd egg. Smaller, 1 egg. Very versatile. Now some fresh herbs on top because it's so beautiful. We want to taste the Mediterranean in every bite, and some microplane grated Parmigiano. And a little salt, a little kosher salt on top. Make it rain. This is the good stuff. And a little cracked pepper. Now, these go back in the oven for 5 minutes under the broil, and you're done. So in those 5 minutes while the eggs are broiling, get your toast ready, butter it up with some Olivio. Now let's pull the eggs. Ooh, perfect. I can smell the herbs. Oh, I love this dish. I love my eggs a little bit loose. The whites have solidified. The yellows are still a little runny, so they're delicious for sopping up with a nice piece of toast. And the other thing that's cool is that there's just something so novel, I think, about getting a dish straight out of the oven. And there you go. You'll look so great in front of those in-laws or house guests. You'll have more time to savor the moment around the table and enjoy a beautiful breakfast with the people you love most. Enjoy.